South Carolina bill designed to reform eviction rights has passed through subcommittee at the State House.
It's received support from upstate leaders who believe the state and local housing community is in need of a change. Our Caitlin Ashbaugh joins us live in Greenville. Caitlin, what would this mean for tenants and landlords if it passes?
Hey, Sydney and Nigel, well, the goal here would be creating a stable housing community, easing some of that pressure on tenants when they're faced with eviction. We spoke with upstate and state leaders who tell us they hope this is just a single step forward in easing that process for both tenants and landlords and creating a compromise.
Under House Bill 4270, a tenant faced with an eviction notice could have it removed from their record if the record is not filed within 30 days. It would also remove all records more than 6 years old. Sue Berkowitz with SC Appleseed helped write the language of the bill. She says she heard from both renters and landlords who were pushing for compromise.
After a period of time, people could have their records sealed because otherwise, with the public index, it could stay on, decades. It's easy, it's inexpensive to file the eviction. And oftentimes there are some landlords who have no interest in evicting someone, but they file it. When you don't have secure housing, everything else falls apart.
Back in July, we showed you statistics from the Princeton Eviction Lab. Those numbers placed Greenville among the highest in the nation for eviction filings. As of October, in the span of a month, 1,342 were filed. Senator Carl Allen tells us this creates a ripple effect for families, trickling down eventually into generational impact.
Landlords and other business communities, individuals will look at the record of an individual and make decisions on whether they hire them, whether they will rent to them. The pulse of the General Assembly is that we recognize that Greenville has a problem, in particular with evictions. South Carolina has a problem.
Well, both state and local leaders told us they hope that this starts the conversation for streamlining the process for evictions in South Carolina. We did hear that this passed through a subcommittee unanimously, and the hope is that next week it'll go into a full judicial hearing if it gets enough sponsors on the bill. Reporting in Greenville, Caitlin Ashbaugh, WYFF News 4.